Hey everyone, in this lesson, we're diving into a clever JavaScript tool. We learn how to limit a function to accept only a specific number of arguments. Extra arguments? We ignore them completely. Let's see how this tool works. Sometimes, a function might receive more arguments than we want. Maybe you only care about the first two values for something like mathemax. We wrap the function and control how many arguments it's allowed to use. This ensures consistency and avoids surprise bugs. We define a function called array. It takes another function and a number n. Inside, we use the spread operator to collect all arguments, then slice them to keep only the first n. We apply this to mathemax, ensuring it only ever sees two arguments. Simple, clean, and reusable. We gather the arguments with the rest parameters. Then, we trim the array using slice to get only the allowed number of arguments. Finally, we call the original function with this limited list. This approach works with any function that uses fixed positional arguments. In this example, even though some arrays have more than two elements, only the first two are passed to mathmax. This means non-numeric or extra values are excluded. This keeps your logic focused and avoids unwanted surprises. Let's look at where this can be handy. This tool is useful when working with utility functions like mathmax or mathmin. It's also great when working with APIs or callbacks, where excess data can cause bugs. This wrapper keeps your code more robust. Let's summarize what we've learned. To wrap up, the array helper lets you easily restrict argument length in any function. It is flexible, reusable, and avoids problems caused by too many parameters. Use this when you need tighter control over your input. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.